Hi friends, it's really sad to know that Pro Khalistani Group is behind the toolkit or the document to malign India's image internationally. So all this Twitter campaign or social media campaign with regards to farmers protest is a fake and a paid event, and the main objective is to malign India's image. As we discussed in earlier video, there are many countries who could spend heavy amounts of money to defame any other country. There's nothing wrong in expressing your views on social media, whether it's Rihanna, Greta, Mia Khalifa or any other person. But it takes a different perspective if all this is driven by a propaganda. It is us who need to understand the ulterior purpose and motive behind the cleverly made strategy. Do you think they even understand 1% of the Farm Act, or they have even read about it? They are just blindly supporting the anti India campaign. This entire protest was never about the Farm Act, this was always against the government. Nobody during the entire protest discussed about the Farm Acts. Government had had 11 rounds of talk, and whenever government agreed to some of their demands, the protesters came up with a new demand. In fact, they do not even want a solution. This is just like the case of a spoiled son who keeps on demanding something with his father. Initially, he demands a cycle. If he gets a cycle, then he demands a motorcycle. If his father provides him a motorcycle, then he demands a car. If he gets a car, then he demands an aeroplane. So obviously all his demands cannot be fulfilled due to financial constraints. Then he spreads the propaganda that his father is unable to provide him basic needs and he is having a very difficult time. So his prime agenda is to defame his father. This is exactly what is happening in this particular case, wherein their prime agenda is to defame India. We know that there's nothing wrong in these new farm laws, thus that it's going to hurt a few middlemen. Unfortunately, some innocent farmers blindly supported Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikat. They do not even know what this protest is all about. Anyways, whatever the outcome of this agitation is, Rakesh Tikat is going to be a big political leader in future. It is needless to say that misinformation can put down the image of any country or an organization. If you remember around 10 years ago, when social media was not that popular, image of a fast food chain was severely damaged because of a video which was doing rounds. This is a world top fast food chain. Repercussion was so huge that its CEO had to give a public statement clarifying the whole event. This is the main reason pro Khalistani groups are spreading misinformation about India. It's good that film stars and cricketers have supported India and have criticized propaganda against India. Ministry of External Affairs has issued a statement to be aware of these miscreants and propaganda. Government is trying hard to resolve this, but unfortunately, there are vested interest groups who are trying to enforce their agenda on these protests. Let's hope that this deadlock ends and common people are able to resume their lives. Thank you so much, friends. I am Dr. Vinod Singh. Goodbye.